Good afternoon, student. Class 6. Now we continue chapter 5, 5.2. Understanding elementary 6. So first question of 5.2. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hands of a clock turn through when it goes from? So first 3 to 9. So 3 to 9. This is 180 degree. यानी 2 right angle. So 1/2 or 2 right angle. This is circle is complete 1 and half circle is 180 is 1/2. So this is complete angle is 360 degree. Now second part 4 to 7. So 4 to 7. So 1 2 3 यानी 90 degree यानी 1/4. 1/4 or 1 right angle. Now is C 7 to 10. 7 to 10. Again 1 2 3. So 1/4 also. 1/4 or 1 right angle. Now D part 12 to 9. 12 to 9 also 1 right angle. So 3/4 or 3 right angle. यानी 1 point पूरा complete and 1 2 3 out of 4. So 3/4 or 3 right angles. 1 right angles, 2 right angle and 3 right angles. This is. Now 1 to 10. Also 1 2 3. So 3/4 or 3 right angle. This is 1/4 or 3 right angle. So here 15 1 2 and 3. Now F part 6 to 3. 6 to 3. This is also 3 right triangle. 1 2 and 3. So 3/4 or 3 right angles. Now question number second. Where will the hand of a clock stop if it start at 12 and makes 1/2? Start at 12, make 1/2 means 180 degree. So at 6. Now second, start at 2 and again 1/2 of a revolution. 1/2 180 degree. So or 8. At 8. See start at 5. Start at 5 and 1/4 means 90 degree. 8. Again at 8. D part start at 5 and 3/4. So 1 2 and 3. 3/4 of a revolution. Clockwise means at 2 o'clock. Now third question. Which direction will you face if you start facing east? Start facing is east and make 1/2 of a revolution. So 1/2 is 180 degree west. Answer is west. Then start your face east and make 1 whole 1/2. 1 whole means complete 1 and again 1/2 again west. So west. See west and make 3/4. Start from west and make 3/4 and 1 2 3. So south. 1 2 3 south is north. D is south and make 1 full revolution. So again we start from south and 1 full revolution. 1 full revolution मतलब complete 1 round. So and on south. So here is south. Now question number 4. What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing? So east and turn clockwise. East and turn clockwise to face north. So north 3/4. 1 2 3. 3/4. Total round is 4. 90 is okay 4. 3/4. South and turn clockwise to face east. So south you turn clockwise to face east. So 1 2 3. 3/4 again. West and turn clockwise to face east. Turn clockwise to face east. Yani 1/2. Half. Question number 5. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. It's 3 to 6. Yani 1 right angle. 90 degree angle. Second 2 to 8. So we start from 2 and 8. यानी 180 degree, two right angles. Now C part 5 to 11. Now 5 to 11 is again complete angle is two right angle, and 10 to 1 1 2 3, so one right angle. Now 12 to 9. 12 to 9 is three right angle, means 1 2 3, three right angle. So fifth, last is 12 to 6. 12 to 6 is one straight angle, means 180 degree, two right angle, 90 and 90. Now question number 6, how many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? So south and turn clockwise west, so one right angle. Now B part is north and turn anti-clockwise to east, so north and turn anti-clockwise to east, so 1 2 3. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, so 1 2 3, three right angle. C west and turn to west, again west and turn to west, so 1 2 3 4, four right angles. Now D part is south and turn to north, south and turn to north, straight and two right angle. Seven question, where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6 and turn through one right angle? Start from 6 and turn one right angle, so 9. 6 to 9, one right angle. The B part from 8 and turn through two right angle. So start from 8 and turn through two right angle, means 180 degree. So it go with 2 at 2. Now C part from 10 and turn through three right angles. From 10, so three right angles is 1 2 3, 270 degree, so at 7. The D part from 7 and turn through two straight angle, so from 7, so two straight angle means one straight angle and again two straight angle, so again 180 plus 180 is 360, so one straight angle is 180, so two straight angle is 360, so complete round at 7. So student, our exercise 5.2 is done. In next video we will start 5.3. Thank you.